Hey, what's up everybody? Honda Riding here. Welcome back to another video. And today guys, we're taking the snow machine for the first ride of the season. So here we go.
This isn't gonna look good for your viewers.
Yeah, something called editing.
Make its own helmet tag.
Something called editing, but I'm probably gonna leave it in. Look, I'm gonna show you how to pull like a man, okay? I just like to say thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and comment down below what you thought of the video. This winter I plan on making much more snowmobiling videos. If you guys enjoy them, leave that down below and we'll try and post them as much as possible. I'm trying to post more than just one video a week like I have been for a while now. I'm going to try and post around 2 videos a week. So if you guys like the snowmobiling videos, I might post one of those like once a week and then post some other video, some other idea. I've been thinking of doing either a challenge video or creating a new series for the channel because sometimes I just don't know what to post. And I think that'd be pretty cool for the channel. So I dropped down on my Instagram, nicholas.mcgee21. I put in my story, if you have any challenges, comment. So I got quite a bit. So some of them might have to try out. So if you guys, like I said, like the video, tell me down below. Because it means a lot what you guys say in the comments. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching. For now, Honda riding out. See you guys next time. Peace.
Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke.